Reaction of acids, that is dilute hydrochloric acid with metal oxides, that is copper oxide. Take a small amount of copper oxide in a test tube and slowly add dilute hydrochloric acid while stirring. You will notice that copper oxide in the test tube dissolves in dilute hydrochloric acid and the color of the solution becomes bluish green. The reason for this change is the formation of copper chloride in the reaction. Copper oxide is a metal oxide, hydrochloric acid is an acid, copper chloride is a salt, and H2O water. The general reaction between metal oxide and an acid can be written as metal oxide plus acid gives rise to salt and water. This equation is similar to neutralization reaction, that is, a base reacts with acid, forms salt and water. So the conclusion, all metal oxides are basic in nature like metal hydroxides. Now the reaction of bases with non-metal oxides. As we discussed in previous session, sodium carbonate reacts with hydrochloric acid, gives sodium chloride, water and carbon dioxide gas. Now send this carbon dioxide gas into lime water, that is calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide, which is a base, reacts with carbon dioxide to produce a salt, calcium carbonate and water. Now the general reaction between a non-metal oxide and base can be written as non-metal oxide plus base gives rise to salt and water. This reaction is similar to the reaction between base and an acid, that is neutralization reaction. The final products are salt and water. Thus, we can conclude that carbon dioxide, which is a non-metal oxide, is acidic nature. In general, all non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. Thank you.